Such a man is coming around. My sucking powers have no bounds. Suction cups are running shit. I'm pretty hot, you must admit. Do not test my sucking power. I'll climb your tower in just an hour. You can't, what the fuck are the rest of the lyrics? Hey, suction cup man. Such cup man. Such cup man. His name is Such cup man. That's the suction cup man. His name is Such cup man. Suction cup. What the fuck do you want? Well, the first challenge is out, and get ready for a surprise. Bitch. Whoa, where the fuck are we? The rainforest, retard. We need to find a way to get out of here. Well, luckily I have my suction cups. Wait, what? Let me just get my suction cups. Here are my suction cups. Wait, but aren't you? Shut up, I'm going to suction cup my way out of here. Wait a second, suction cup man. The fuck do you want, bitch? Glass said we both have to get out of here, otherwise we're gonna get lost. Well, that sounds pretty boring. Fuck you, bye. Well, do you really want to be eliminated first? And not reach alumni for the third time? Oh, that would be pretty nice. You know what? I'll give you some suction cups. They're your suction cups. They're a bit deformed like you, but you can have them. Fuck you. Yep. Right back at you, bitch. Alright, let's go. Wait a second. We can morph sizes? Well then, this is pretty easy. No. Wait, what do you mean no? The animator will not allow you to do this. Well, fuck you. Okay, I guess we'll just use the suction cups. Alright, we made it up here. Now look at this beautiful, river. This does look pretty nice. So, where do we get going to next? Well, this rainforest is pretty fucking big, so I don't even know where the fuck we're going. Wait, you don't even know where we're going? Nope. Nope. Well, fuck, I don't know what to do then. Well, maybe we could try to get a compass. Yes. That should do the trick. And now we have a compass, so wait, this won't fucking help. There we go, that will help. Oh shit, I dropped it into the river. You fucking dumbass. Alright, we gotta go get that now. Wait, what? See ya. No. I'm waiting up here for you. What the? Where the fuck am I? Oh wait, this makes more sense than I once said. Alright, where the fuck is it? It's gotta be around here somewhere. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, wait a second. Is this, why is there a walkie-talkie here, which looks nothing like a fucking walkie-talkie? What the fuck did you do, Greg? I mean, what? Anyways, just gonna use this quickly. Hello, it is ukulele here. Wait, ukulele? Yeah, I've already gone out. I just kind of wanted to ditch you. Oh, don't you mean bitch? Well, because I just kind of think you're annoying, and you're a terrible partner, so I just kind of left. Well, what happens to me now? You drop it. Okay, got it.